Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add and use emoji from your keyboard on Windows 10. So to do so, you have to press and hold the window key on the keyboard, and along with the window key you have to press the dot key, the period key on the keyboard, to bring the emoji panel on your screen. I'll show it to you using the on-screen keyboard. So press and hold the window key over here, and along with that press the dot key, the period key, to bring the emoji panel. Yeah, and after that, how to use it, I'll show it to you. In the email or on the Word file you can use it. Just write down the name of the emotion. You can just type in, like for example I'm using smile, and if I type in smile then hit the enter key, I can see the smile emoji. Second, I will try for cry, then hit the enter key, you can see the crying face. Then angry, just type in angry, then hit the enter key, you can see the angry. Let me try birthday, I can see the cake. Let me use candle, so you can see the candle is there on the screen. So just write down the name of the emotion, hit the enter key, that emotion will be there on the Word file or email, wherever you're using it. Or you can simply go to the emoji one by one. From here you can select and just click on it to get that emoji on the Word file or email. So this is how you are going to use the keyboard to bring the emoji panel on your screen and use the emoji on your email or your Word file. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe to my channel, it helps me to grow my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.